Hi everyone, so today's my first ever voice cam. So what's up? Yeah. Today I'm on my Boy account. I just about made it a couple of weeks ago. It's been made for, let's have a look, April 2018, and I made this the first day of thingy. So this Boy account is a rare account. I have a couple of rares like duckies, hat, fake tattoo, Quizmaster, I'm not sure what they're called, mustache. I don't know if this is rare or not. Somebody sent me it and said this is rare. One of my friends sent me it and said this is rare. So it has quite some things on. I might be giving this away if we get 10 to 100 subscribers. The new theme is, the new, say hi. Okay, so the new theme is steal the spotlight. I don't really like this theme very much. So yeah, it's not the bestest ever, but it's good enough, I guess. I'm not mourning, don't worry. So yeah, basically I'm watching Screen-O-Matic 2017. I use this to record. So if you want to go check it out, then go ahead. I'm going to show my girl account. Here is that. Yeah, in relationship with her. Don't even know who the girl is. Alright, this is my name. I have one best friend spot left because my other friend, oh wait, no, sorry. I have two best friend spots and a fourthy spot, or a boyfriend spot or whatever. So I've been thingied since March 2018. So yep. I don't have any pictures. Only. Oh my god, I love them. But Ariana Macmillan. Guest book. Thanks for not scamming me. This girl scam. Blah blah blah. YouTube. Yep, there's some looks I've done. So basically I'm only recording about my Boy account. Go check it out. That would be amazing if you all did. So yep. Let's say this as Boy Acc. I'm back. I just saved a picture. That is Boy Acc right here. I'm not going to open it because, yeah, but I just screenshot it. So that's it for my video this week. So I will try do some more videos. And if you guys want, go send some I don't know. Go send some things for this Boy account because it's lame and it needs helping. I'm just gonna have that animation, seriously. So yeah, it needs helping, to be honest. So yep. And also gift my main, greet my main, friend my main, be on my main, give me VIP tickets on my main. Do all that stuff if you want to win my Boy account. Guys, my friend's here. Say hi, Sabrina. Hello. Yeah, so basically just go check it out, and guys, I'll be back in a couple minutes. So actually no, I'll be back tomorrow. Make sure you click that big red subscribe button, and if you want more of my voice videos, that would be great. I usually like to do typing videos on MSP, but if you want more of my voice videos, then comment down below. Anyway, bye guys!